ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದಿನಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಳಕಿತಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಸಂದೇಶ ನನಗೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈಫ್ ಚೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮೈಲೋಮಾ. The body crumbling from within, on dialysis 3 times a week and morphine shots to ease the pain. I was with a friend's father who then was just 58. He told me how at 15 he got working at the Mumbai dockyards as part of a labor gang that had to pull heavy ropes on a pulley to haul goods out of a docked ship. Basically, a human crane. How the years went by, he said, initially supporting his parents and younger siblings, then got married, had children, and rest of the life went in working to bring them up. An upright, church-going, honest man, all his life, he never went on a holiday beyond Mahabaleshwar. All money was squirreled away for his one dream, to see the world. On retirement, he got himself a passport, and along with that came a diagnosis that brought his dreams crashing down. I can't forget the look on his face. With a feeble half smile, he said, "Life cheated me." And then a stream of tears fell out of his eyes first and mine later. Maya, our ancients call it. We put a layer around life, a layer that glamorizes the unglamorous, a mirage that keeps us running and thirsting to attain what can never satiate. That's human reality. We do not see the world for what it is. Kabir Das said it beautifully. Maya mari na man mara, mar gaye sharir. Asha trishna na mari, kah gayi Das Kabir. Neither do illusions nor the mind ever die. Several bodies have died in the pursuit. Hope and desires just never die. Think about it. Our life just goes by discharging duties, a routine of work duties, taking care of parents, sending kids through college, their marriage. In the process, we are getting older. Life starts as a dependent and ends as one. In between, a few years of independence are spent taking care of those dependent on us. Our life is like a memoirs of goldfish. Day 1, I swam around the bowl. Day 2, I swam around the ball twice. Unless we are mindful that life here is just right now in front of us, we are going to miss the point. Postponing joys to an uncertain tomorrow is a real bad idea. So it's critical that we do work that makes us happy, for its fruits will come in an uncertain future. Buddha says, the trouble is you think you have time. You think you have time. We are just one diagnosis away from the irrelevance of all we have achieved or chasing. Most of us will die with money in the bank. We will run out of time, not money. So chasing more money is a stupid thing. Instead, we should spend time more mindfully. Responsibilities are never ending, never ending. We have to do our part, but we must not lose sight of the responsibility we have to ourselves. Life is a gift with an uncertain tenure. Every day we wake up is a bonus, and we should use the rest of the day to create something beautiful. Maya is all pervasive. It will make us chase mirages. It is useful to understand that life is a great cheater. We are doing what we think we need to do while we are postponing what we want to do, but we have no idea if tomorrow even comes. Let's leave before we die. Let's out-cheat this cheater. Don't you think so?